Hey everyone, welcome back to Native GIS. Imagine a vast digital tapestry. This is the world of Geographic Information Systems, or GIS. It's a powerful tool that allows us to visualize and analyze our world in remarkable detail. From roads and buildings to forests and coastlines, GIS maps it all. Satellites capture stunning images combined with data from sensors and drones. AI helps unlock hidden patterns, reshaping our understanding of Earth. For decades, GIS professionals have grappled with the challenges of managing and interpreting massive geospatial datasets. The sheer volume of information has often hindered our ability to fully leverage its potential. However, the emergence of AI is rapidly changing this landscape. AI, with its ability to process information at an unprecedented scale and speed, is proving to be a game-changer for GIS and remote sensing. Imagine an intelligent assistant that can sift through mountains of satellite images, identifying subtle changes in land use or pinpointing the first signs of a natural disaster. This is the promise of AI in the geospatial realm, from automating tedious tasks to uncovering hidden patterns. AI is empowering us to extract more value from geospatial data than ever before. It's like having a team of tireless assistants working around the clock, analyzing images, identifying trends, and generating insights that would have been impossible to achieve manually. The integration of AI into GIS is not merely about doing things faster, it's about doing things differently. It's about asking new questions, exploring new frontiers, and gaining a deeper understanding of the intricate workings of our planet. One of the most significant contributions of AI to GIS is its ability to automate complex and time-consuming tasks. Imagine a team of analysts manually identifying and classifying every building, road, and tree in a satellite image. It's a tedious and error-prone process. Now imagine AI algorithms doing the same task with remarkable speed and accuracy. This is the power of AI-driven automation. Take, for instance, the task of feature extraction. This involves identifying and classifying specific objects or patterns within satellite images. AI algorithms trained on vast datasets of labeled images can now perform this task with remarkable precision. Whether it's identifying different types of crops in agricultural fields, mapping the extent of deforestation in the Amazon rainforest, or assessing the damage caused by a natural disaster, AI is proving to be an invaluable tool for geospatial analysis. This automation frees up GIS professionals from mundane and repetitive tasks, allowing them to focus on higher-level analysis, interpretation, and decision-making. It's like having a team of tireless assistants working behind the scenes, ensuring that data is processed efficiently and accurately. The result is a more efficient and productive workflow, enabling GIS professionals to tackle more complex challenges and extract more meaningful insights from geospatial data. Section 4. Real-time insights, AI-powered decisions for a changing planet. In a world grappling with the increasing frequency and intensity of natural disasters, the ability to make informed decisions in real time is paramount. AI is playing a crucial role in enhancing situational awareness and enabling rapid response during emergencies. Imagine a wildfire raging through a forest. AI algorithms, analyzing real-time satellite imagery and weather data, can predict the fire's path, estimate its intensity, and identify areas at risk. This information is crucial for disaster response teams, allowing them to evacuate communities, deploy resources effectively, and minimize the impact of the disaster. AI is also transforming the way we monitor and manage our environment. From tracking the movement of oil spills to monitoring air quality in urban areas, AI-powered systems are providing us with real-time insights that were previously unimaginable. This ability to process and analyze vast amounts of data in real time is crucial for making informed decisions in a rapidly changing world. It empowers us to respond more effectively to emergencies, manage our resources more sustainably, and ultimately build a more resilient future. Section 5, ChatGPT, your geospatial guide to the future. Now imagine interacting with complex geospatial data through a simple conversational interface. That's the promise of ChatGPT in the realm of GIS. No longer confined to specialized software and technical jargon, users can now access and analyze geospatial information using natural language. Need to know the latest satellite imagery of a specific region? Simply ask ChatGPT. Curious about the deforestation rates in the Amazon over the past decade? ChatGPT can provide you with that information in an easily digestible format. This democratization of GIS is groundbreaking. It empowers individuals, communities, and organizations without specialized technical expertise to leverage the power of geospatial data. A farmer in rural India can now access information about crop health and soil moisture just as easily as a city planner in New York City can analyze urban growth patterns. ChatGPT is breaking down the barriers to entry in the world of GIS, making it more accessible, intuitive, and user-friendly than ever before. Section 6. Predicting the future, AI's crystal ball for our planet. One of the most exciting frontiers in AI-powered GIS is predictive analytics. By analyzing historical data and identifying patterns, AI algorithms can help us anticipate future trends, from urban sprawl and population growth to the impact of climate change on our ecosystems. Imagine a city planner using AI to predict traffic congestion patterns a decade into the future, allowing for informed decisions about infrastructure development and transportation planning. Or consider an environmental scientist using AI to model the impact of rising sea levels on coastal communities, providing crucial information for adaptation and mitigation strategies. These predictive capabilities are revolutionizing the way we plan for the future. It's like having a crystal ball that allows us to peer into the future, anticipate challenges, and make more informed decisions that will shape a more sustainable and resilient tomorrow. With AI, we're not just mapping our world, we're modeling its future. AI empowers GIS professionals, learners, and organizations. AI and GIS creates opportunities for professionals, learners, and organizations. For professionals, AI augments capabilities, tackling complex challenges. Learners explore intuitive AI-powered GIS tools. Organizations leverage AI GIS for informed decisions and optimization. The future of GIS is intelligent and insightful.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Native GIS for more insights into GIS and geospatial technology.